In this video, I'll show you how you can take a screenshot on your OnePlus Watch 4. Now all you have to do is open the content on your watch that you'd like to take a screenshot for. And then on your phone, all you have to do is open the O Health application. And then from here, tap on device at the bottom right corner. And then simply scroll down and select more. And then scroll down until you see the option take screenshot, tap on it. And then from here, if you want to take a screenshot for this, all you have to do is select take screenshot, and you should see a preview of that screenshot has been captured on the watch. So you can do the same for any other thing that you'd like to take a screenshot for. So if you want to take a screenshot for this, simply select take screenshot, and it should take a screenshot of that. Now keep in mind that all the screenshots are saved on your mobile device. So simply, if you want to access all the screenshots that you have taken, simply open your gallery on your mobile device, and now you can see the screenshots that you have currently taken on your OnePlus Watch 4. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.